So is the market actually going to crash? Well, in short, no. The thing is, everyone's looking at the recent news with the workers report and the labor report from the U.S. Census Bureau this previous week, and unemployment has gone up a little bit, slightly. And many companies and many people have been reacting to this very negatively by doing mass sell offs, as people think the momentum in the economy is slowing down in the US. And that has started to create fears, not just in the US, but abroad. And people are thinking there might be another recession. This can be seen as in Japan and Korea. They have been doing massive sell offs to the point where the Dow Jones, we can see, has had one of the worst times in a long time. And people are saying if it's going to be 1987 again. Because of that, we've seen the Dow Jones go down 1,000 points, which was one of the worst days since 2022, just because of all this news happening today. And the main reason this happened was because the Nikita, well, Japan stock exchange, their main market, has gone down uh, today so much. It's been as bad since 1987, and it's probably going to get worse. They just surpassed their all time highs and have continuously been going up, and it's been bound to have a correction at some point with how fast it's been growing relative to the output. And we can see that by today, as well as South Korea kind of following suit with that, but not to the same extent. But with the CNN and the other markets just saying how bad Japan has gone, this has had a huge consequence on U.S. stocks as well. With, as we've seen with the 1987 report, what's driving the market meltdown. People think it's a whole slew of things, from the jobs report to the economy weakening from the reports. But the I think the main reason from this, besides the job reports, that and the Korea thing with the extreme fear index being at an all time high or low in confidence index, is that the stock market has been going up a lot recently, and this correction has been bound to happen sooner or later, especially with the election looming. People have mixed views on the economy. And August has historically always been one of those months that have been pretty bad for the stock market on average. And that's what leads us to, if crypto is going to be crashing. It kind of already has. If you look at Bitcoin's price in the last 7 days, Bitcoin has gone down almost 16%, and in the last month, it's gone about the same. But the 7 days has been a huge drop, and today it's gone down a lot, but it's kind of balancing out as Bitcoin usually does. But there's other most of the crypto market is down a tremendous amount with the Fed news, as crypto a lot of times does follow the stock market in general, as August is another mixed month for the crypto. Some cryptos that are people are very mad about with the volatility index rising, as we've seen here, is Fetch.ai. Some of their merger with the ASI network has become super difficult right now, with the complications and everything. And it's kind of tough for people that own this coin in the past month. Well, let's go back to the past year, kind of. So the merging happened kind of here, and that kind of projected the earnings up. But since the disaster fiasco of this, it has gone down quite a bit. And because of that, we have seen the price go down a lot. But in the past 7 days, it's gone down almost 33%, or a third. So that's pretty bad. A lot of money going away. I do see Fetch as a good product, and I do see that in the future this probably will go up, just because of the projects that they're taking part in and all the fundamentals that is in Fetch. However, in the short term, I would say not until probably November. I'm gonna say most of the crypto market's gonna be down, so it is gonna be a good time to buy. Same with the stock market. Near for near future, it's probably going to continue to go down somewhat. That's why some stocks are better to invest in than others. But certain industries like energy is going up slightly, and that's why you want to diversify to some degree. However, in the long term, I think it's going to be more uncertain until the election happens, just because A lot of people think just from one party being elected, the market's going to go up and down, and they might invest that way. So it's important that we look into the future at this way. I just want to also say, though, I am not a financial advisor and I'm not giving advice. Just take this information with a grain of salt, as I want to do market updates for anyone that's wondering what has happened in the past week and today, especially for why the market's changed so much.